I love trying different foods. I love exploring new foods. So I've probably eaten every kind of thing that people would say they'd never eat before. Scorpions, love them. Pig head soup is pretty good. It turns out to be really, really fantastic. I've been in places around the world where I've been to a restaurant and they've asked me if I wanted to slaughter my own chicken before eating it. Hit me the wrong way one time where I was at a restaurant in Southeast Asia and the people around me said, "Tim, you eat everything, right?" And I said, "Yeah." And they said, "Great, here's something for you." Someone brought out a tank of live shrimp swimming around in the tank and they said, "Dig in, you're first. You eat anything, you love experimenting with food." And I said, heck, if they eat it, I can eat it. So I put my chopsticks in, grabbed the live shrimp out, dipped it in some hot sauce, put the live shrimp in my mouth, chewed it up and swallowed. And then everybody in the room erupted with laughter saying, "No, they just bring the tank out to show you that it's fresh before they take it back and cook it. I can't believe you ate that." Hi, my name is Dr. Tim Veach. I am Associate Professor of Management in the College of Business here at George Fox University. How did I get here? Well, it's kind of a long story, but to make that short, I was doing some business in East Asia, and I was teaching some university classes on the side in order to make some money for a struggling business. And it turned out I liked the university side a lot better. So I completed my doctorate in international trade management, and I became a full-time professor. In 2022, I was offered a job to come here as Associate Professor of Management at George Fox. I love the opportunity to teach the things I teach here at George Fox, mostly because I see business as kind of the ultimate challenge. And so being able to be part of this adventure, this learning journey of exploring how to be part of business at a higher level, that's why I get excited about teaching the students here at George Fox. At the end of the day, after taking my course, I hope students walk away with, first of all, a new perspective, a perspective on their place in a global economy, a perspective on what it means to take part in something bigger than what's going on around them in kind of their immediate environment. Maybe kind of the propensity, the desire to want to experience new things, new places, and new people. I like to, have conversation with my students. I love to interact with students. I'd love to interact with a video call or by phone or by email and really be able to share in the learning process. So we'll have fun and we'll work hard. And in the meantime, hopefully we'll learn something. That's how I'd like to approach this.